I have 3 oak ladders here. One of them is cut in half. This one is by Putnam. It has the wheels on the bottom. It's meant to go in a library or sliding along a rail. We cut that in half. We used it on the kids' bunk beds, so it worked out pretty well. That's the bottom half, and here's the top half. I do not have rails for these ladders. It's just the oak ladders. There's the Putnam top half and bottom half. The 2 in the middle are oak ladders made by the Cotterman Company. They are both fully equipped with wheels and the necessary hardware at the top to work in a rail. They do not need to go on a rail. They are perfectly great looking ladders, and take the wheels off and you've got a very classy looking solid oak ladder that you could use inside of a study or a bedroom or a closet. Call me at 515-291-6097 for questions or more pictures about these ladders.